and welcome to Curry TV. Today, I'm here to share a recipe of masalas, spiciness, all the spices that we use in this household, along with how we use it, where we use it, how much of we use it. Let me show you all the spice blends that are out there. Well, today I'm going to show you the varieties of chilies, the variety of spices that we use in different curries. So I'm here to answer many of your questions that you have been frequently asking. So this is actually a most requested video for our viewers. So when we make chicken masala, chicken garam masala, it's a blend of spices. For each variety, so I would say if you're making chicken, one variety, because we have to enhance the flavor of chicken. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this recipe. Right now, I have 3 star anise, a small piece of cinnamon. It depends on your size. So when you go to your local Asian market or when you're visiting India, you can buy your whole spices like so and then make your own spice blend at home. Because when you dry roast this and seal it in an airtight container, it tastes so much better than store-bought. So this is my specific one that I always rely on for chicken. So when we go to India, we already bought all of these whole spices from there. My brother, cousin, where he lives, there is lots of tea estates and coffee estates and cardamom. So we get the nice original cardamom from there. The flavor of that, the essence of that is so strong apart from if you buy from a local store, because it's just fresh, and we just buy it a 1 kilo, which is about 2.2 pounds. We buy it like so and bring it here, and it will last about anywhere for like 2 to 3 years for us. Depends on how much we use, right? So this recipe is actually for 2 pound of chicken. If you were to make 2 pound of chicken, this is the spice blend that you would need. So let me show you. 3 star anise, a good size cinnamon, about half a teaspoon of cloves. Cloves, you don't want it too strong because it has a good fire heat coming through. So that's why we have half a teaspoon of cloves. And we need about, so everything is according, say if you buy chicken thighs, right? Chicken thighs has bone in it, so that means you need more garam masala in that meat. Whereas if you're using chicken breast, you wouldn't need that much. So then just lighten up a bit on that. So for this, we will be using about 1.25 teaspoon of cardamom. Because mine is fresh and so right from the farmers, I don't need to rely on so much of it. So I might go for like 1 teaspoon, give and take. So that's what I have. Now this my friend is nutmeg. You already saw the hole. When you dry roast it, you get this, and you can grate just a tad bit. You put more in there, you're going to be on fire. Don't blame me for adding that much, okay? So just grate as much as you need. You just need to get that sense of flavor coming through. When you dry roast all this, it's just you're bringing back life. You're bringing all these spices back to life. So this just you need about, I would say about 1/4 teaspoon, nothing more than that. So that's that. 1 bay leaf. Now fennel. Fennel has a smoky flavor. So for fennel, I would use about half a teaspoon. When you use fennel, dry roast it separate because you don't want it to be getting that burned smell, I would say. So dry roast this spice, give it its own space, dry roast it by itself so that you get that nice golden color all around, and it's to the perfection. Black pepper. When you make chicken roast, say, for that matter, when you make chicken roast, if you want to get that nice dark black color, add more of this in there. So if you're adding red chili powder, green chili in there, then reduce the quantity of black pepper. But if you're using about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, about 4 to 5 green chilies, I would add anywhere from 3/4 of teaspoon of black pepper in our garam masala. And then we need mace. 1 whole mace would be fine. And cumin. Cumin is like a silent agent in the spice blend. He or she, whoever you want to call it, okay? I just call he because I'm opposite gender, give and take relationship here. So when I call cumin, he is going to bring everybody together because this has a nice smoky flavor that goes along with everybody else. But rest of these, they stand out. If you add more of these star anise, you're going to find out in your curry. So, but the cumin, you won't. Especially in North Indian food, cumin is a must spice in there. So it depends on the region that you're making. So if you want Kerala recipe, you add about half a teaspoon of cumin in your garam masala. So that, my friend, is how you make garam masala. Now I just told you just the whole garam masala's blend. We need to add red chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder apart from all these spices. So dry roast this and store it in a very, very airtight container. So this, my friend, we will make about, our family size is 6. So therefore 2 pounds is not going to go that far. I'm just being honest with you, okay? We need at least 3.5 pounds of chicken to meet our needs. So therefore, when I make this spice blend, it's going to finish within 2 settings. So if I make one this week, then I have one for next week. And that my containers are very small. So dry roast this, put it in your coffee blender or your grinder, mix it all up, just into fine dust, okay? You don't want any flavors coming through, any skin. So if you want to remove the cardamom shells, perfect. I find that as a very good texture to my chicken, so I don't usually remove it. But if you want to remove it, just take the seeds. Then you will need about 1.5 teaspoon worth of cardamom in your garam masala. So make this chicken curry. Let me know how it turned out for you. Did you like the flavors? Can you identify which one was stronger, which one was less? And then give me a feedback, because hey, this is my version. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, let me know what you did not like about it so that I can change it for you or my customers. I've been doing catering for many years, and chicken roast was one of the highlights. I'm not trying to brag myself, but chicken roast, beef, volatility, these were one of the highlights that came out of my kitchen. So this is the spice blend that I use for each of my recipes. So please give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. And now I will show you how to make beef garam masala. Okay, so I just introduced you all the spices that we use in this household. Now, if you want to learn how to use the quantity, the spice blends, the varieties, then you got to check out my rest of my videos. So I'm going to be sharing my beef garam masala recipe, mutton garam masala recipe, sambar garam masala recipe, a fish garam masala. No, you don't say fish garam masala. You say this fish spice blend. All these varieties are going to be shown in my rest of the video. So thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.